What's up guys, this is a video on how to connect multiple GoPro cameras with a smart remote. So you would use this feature if you wanted to catch multiple shots from different angles. You could use it to take videos, photos, photo bursts and time lapses. It's all down to your preference. You could use it for any special events, or you could use it in a car or on a motorcycle to catch them multiple angles like the front or the back or the side of it. It'd be good for people who like to do stunts as well, on bikes or skateboards and things like that, because you could get that perfect shot. So the actual remote can connect up to 50 cameras and it's waterproof up to 10 meters as well. And it will work up to a distance of 100 meters away from the camera. So initially, the first time you connect up, you're pairing your camera and your smart remote together for the first time, which you only need to do once. After that, you only need to simply connect up. You don't need to pair it each and every time you connect up. So what I'm going to show you today is how to pair up for the first time and then how to connect up from then on. So right, I'm going to start off with the Hero 4. We're going to turn that on by pressing the mode button. We're going to go to setup. I'm going to press OK. Where it says off, we're going to press OK. And then we're going to go down to pair. I'm going to press OK again. Now we're going to go to Wi-Fi RC, which stands for remote control. I'm going to press OK. Now that's in pairing mode now for 3 minutes. Now the Hero 5 session, we're going to turn that on by pressing the back of it. Now we're going to go to connection settings. Connect a new device. GoPro app. No, we don't want that. GoPro RC, which stands for remote control. We want that, so we'll press this and go to the tick and press OK. And now the Hero 5 session's in pairing mode. Now the Hero 5 black, and you can do the same with the Hero 6. Pull the menu down, go to connect. Connect a new device. Go to smart remote. Now that's in pairing mode as well. So all three of them now are in pairing mode. So the remote itself, you just press the mode button to turn it on. And then you will press the settings button to put it into pairing mode. So you just hold on to that until the pairing sign comes on. Now it's in pairing mode. So with the older remotes, what you do is when you go to turn it on, you'll press the mode button and the shutter button at the same time, and it will turn on and go into pairing mode like this. So as you can see, it's found all 3 cameras and it's searching for more. Like I said, you can connect up to 50 cameras. So to stop it pairing now, we'll press the spanner button, the settings button, and that will stop it. With the older one, you'll press the shutter button and it will stop that. So it's saying now 3 cameras are ready. So right, before I show you how to use the remote with 3 cameras, I will show you how to connect up after this, because initially this is how you pair up for the first time. You don't connect up each and every time like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn off all the Wi-Fi's and turn the cameras off, and then I'm going to restart again and show you how to connect from now on. So we're going to go to setup, OK, RC, OK, go to on, and we'll turn that off. So the wireless is off now. We're going to turn the camera off by holding the mode power button, and we'll do the same with the session now. We'll go to connection settings, turn off connection. So that's the Wi-Fi has been turned off from here now. Just going to turn this camera off. And we'll do the same with the Hero 5 Black or the Hero 6. We'll pull the menu down, go to connect. And we'll go to the bottom, but before I do that, if you look at the top here, you can see smart remote and it says connected. That doesn't do anything. The only thing that does is tell you if you're connected or disconnected from the smart remote. That's the only thing that does. So right, we're going to go to the bottom where it says wireless connection. You can see it's highlighted here. So if we touch that now, you can see it's not highlighted anymore. So that means the Wi-Fi has been turned off. So if we scroll back to the top, you can see that the smart remote is telling you you're disconnected. So come out of that and I'll turn this off. And now I will turn the remote off by holding the mode button. So that's everything off. So what I've just shown you there is the first time if you ever pair up, that's what you do. Once you've done it once, you don't do it again. Now this is the way you should connect up from now on. All you need to do is go to your camera, turn it on, go to setup, press OK. Where it says off, press OK. And instead of going to pair this time, we're going to turn the Wi-Fi on. Now you can see the flashing blue lights, it says it's on. So I'm going to press the settings button to take it back to the main menu. The other reason why I'm showing you this is because nobody else actually shows you this. They only show you how to first connect up. So right, with the Hero 5 session, we'll turn that on. We'll go to connection settings. And this time we'll go to turn on connection. And that will turn the Wi-Fi on. That's all you need to do with that. With the GoPro Hero 6 and 5 Black, what you'll do with this is you'll pull the top menu down, go to connect, go all the way to the bottom this time, and you will turn on the wireless connection. You can see it highlighted there to say it's on. So we'll come out of this. And now we'll just turn the remote on by pressing the mode button. Now automatically it'll connect to all three cameras. So we'll just wait for them to make a connection, and they've made a connection. You can see 3 cams ready. So the only thing you can do, you can't do much when you've got 3 cameras connected to the remote. It won't allow you to change any settings or anything like that individually. If you have to change any settings, you should do that before you start recording. The only thing it does allow you to do is if you press the mode button, you can go onto photo mode. You can go onto time-lapse mode or multiple shots, time-lapse, and then back to video again. The actual settings buttons doesn't do anything apart from tagging your videos for a special event. That's the only thing it does. So right, if you press record, they'll start recording, all 3 of them. If you press record again, they'll stop recording. If you press the mode button and hold it for a few seconds, it will turn all 3 cameras off and the remote off as well. Like this. So now all 3 of them are off plus the remote. If you press the mode button again, you can turn all of them on. So that's all 3 of them have come back on now, and it's just pairing with them. It's only paired with well, connected to one so far. Now it's connected to all three. So now if I press record, all three of them are recording. But if I needed to turn the remote off and save the battery, or I just didn't need it on, what you'd do is you'd press the mode button and the settings button together, and that'll turn the remote off and leave the cameras still recording. So you can see now that's completely off and the cameras are still recording. So if we want to connect back up, we just turn it on by pressing the mode button and it will connect and sync with all three cameras. So now it's connected to all three cameras again. So right, if I press record, it'll stop recording. And that's it, guys. That's how you connect to all three cameras for the first time, and then from now on that's how you connect up. So right, I'm going to turn all of them off. So that's all of them off. So right, guys, one thing to remember is that the Wi-Fi is still connected on all three cameras, and even if they're turned off, they will still drain your battery completely. So the last thing you want to do is come back to your cameras to record something and the batteries are completely drained. So what you need to do to each and every camera is you need to go and turn the Wi-Fi off on them. So I'm going to quickly do this on here by going to Setup, go to RC, and where it says on, you press OK, and it turns it off by flashing the lights, and you can see it's off there. So if I hold the mode button, that'll turn that off. The Hero 5 session will go to connection settings. Turn off connection. So now the Wi-Fi is turned off from this as well, and the Wi-Fi sign's gone off. Just turn this camera off. And I've turned it off. With the Hero 6 and the 5 Black, you just pull the menu down, go to connect, scroll all the way to the bottom, go to wireless connection, and turn that off. So it's not highlighted anymore, it's definitely off. And the Wi-Fi sign's gone from there as well. So that's how you turn your Wi-Fi off all the cameras. So right, guys, I hope this helps somebody out who's trying to connect multiple cameras together. And thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment and subscribe for more videos. Bye.